And last book for tonight is The Art of Blizzard Entertainment from 2013. This came all the way from Lebanon Valley College Library. I don't know where that's at, but we'll find out. So thank you for letting me borrow this book. It's a beautiful hardcover. Let's get into it. So we have a tiny index to run off with all the artists. Very nice shit. Ah, Samwise. I like his style. Yes, I fucking do. Alright, so there's the index. Let's get into the book. Good spread. Yeah, I knew about this book years ago and forgot. And I was like, alright, let me find out if I can rent it or not. And I found it. It's from Insight Editions. There's your table of contents. We got Warcraft, Diablo, Starcraft, Falling Games, and Woot. Woot. I wonder what Woot is. Because I say Woot a lot. Oh, nice. You get bios on everybody, too. Good. Well, almost everybody. So, it goes without saying, spreads due out. Hop on your TV to check them all out. Cool. These are nice. And these make great tattoos, by the way. Tattoos, wallpapers for your phone, tablet, laptop, TV, or your console. Yeah, easily. A lot of good sketches in here. These would make good tattoos for sure. Because they're easy to fucking trace. Or easier to copy and then lay out and tat on. Wow. Very cool. I like these diagrams. They're fun. I wish they had more diagram pieces like that. So we got full color sketches. We have full color and sketches throughout. That's excellent. I'm liking this so far. I really am. Like, this is really neat. This is a heavy ass book too. Just under 360 pages. How cool is that? Ooh, map. Nice. And I've covered other Blizzard Entertainment books on this channel too. So if you want to check those out, you can check out both the book series Redux playlists, and you will have a wonderful time. That's a good one. Nice. Matter of fact, that's a double side. Okay, cool. I'm gonna come back and get a shot of that when I'm done here. Nice. Oh no, you folded the page down. You ruined it. Big fucking deal. And these pages are being dicks. Lovely. Ooh, nice. That's good color. Very good color. Oh, good spread. Nice. So if you don't like Blizzard, you're not going to like this at all. Though if you are a diehard Blizzard fan, you've never heard of this art book, never knew it existed, you should get your hands on it. But if you hate Blizzard, you don't care for their style, their stories, their artwork, well, that's cool. It just won't appeal to you. If you're looking for a good birthday present or anniversary gift, here you go. And I covered this art book. That's on the channel in the slideshow. As is, let's see here. Diablo's art book is on here. Oh, a lot of Warcraft shit too. Lots of Warcraft. I tried to get every damn book I could find. Nice. I'm digging these sketches, man. They're the coolest. And the pages are beautiful, and there's no text, which is fucking nice. Weapons are gorgeous. I like my weapons. They're the best. Ah, crests. Nice. Very, very cool. If you're a art major, you're looking for something different to work with, here you go. Because you got environments to mess with, you got characters, you got atmospheres, temperatures, ambience, all that good shit. This is some wonderful shit, man. Oh yeah, panda with tits. No, I'm good. Ah, Diablo. What is my favorite game out of Blizzard? I really don't have a full answer for that. I mean, recently I wrapped up StarCraft. So I like StarCraft. That was one of the better storylines that I've ever watched unfold. That was good. No, I don't play the games because I don't have a PC. I mean, I have a laptop. I could play it, but I don't feel like it. But nah, I don't know. Diablo is good shit. Yeah, the Diablo art book I covered, that was gorgeous work. Just absolute banger after banger of a piece. Here's a fun fact. That was actually the first slideshow I learned that I could blow up the picture and combine it. Because all the pictures that were in that came out at, what was it? 7,000 by, ooh, nice. I like that. Yeah, 7,000 by like 3,000 or something, or 35 by 30. Something like that. And I didn't know how to fix that. I tried to put it together and it wouldn't work. And then I learned, how to do that in Paint. And ever since, I have not had issues. Very happy. Yep. Nice. Tyrael. Or Tyrell, my bad. Happens. Oh, I remember her. Yeah, I remember her. Yeah. Bad girl. I forget her name, though. But I definitely enjoy the different styles from every artist. And of course, you can see all these spreads in that slideshow as well. Or in the slideshows I have uploaded. Wow. I do like that they have this in a nice collection this way. But given it's 12 years old, they should really update. Especially with all the DLC that they've put out over the years. Yeah. Yeah, StarCraft, I enjoyed the depth of that. And Kerrigan is one of my favorites. I like Jim too. He's cool, but definitely like Kerrigan. And Artanis. Yeah. Because this was just such a good fucking storyline, man. One of those you gotta really watch to really appreciate its depth. Nice. I love the Tyranids. Great Xeno race. I love the armor. Good shit. Yeah, this is so fucking cool, man. But it's the depth of this story that I loved. And the designs for all the creatures, like, oh my god, the Ultralisk, holy shit. Insane. And the worlds, all of it. Ah, it's beautiful. They even got Kerrigan's Funko too, so you can check that out as well. There's my boy Artanis. Love him. Yep. Wow. Nice. Yeah. Gnarly. Will I buy this book? I don't know. I'm really torn. Like, it's really cool, but I don't necessarily need it. Because as somebody pointed out to me in a review I did recently, they were like, I wouldn't buy it because they'll just update. It was for Star Wars, actually. They would just be updating the book within a year. And I'm like, it's kind of true. But given the timetable for encyclopedia releases and shit, probably a couple years. So yeah, it's been a hot minute since they put out a new art book. Woot. What the fuck is Woot? Oh, okay. Cool. Woot. Oh boy. Oh, these are goofy ones. Okay. Fascinating. And I've also covered cookbooks too. Yeah. So if you're into them cookbooks, you'll enjoy those as well. That's funny. I like that. That's funny. Nah. Nah. Very, very funny. Nice. This is a good book. But if you didn't care for it, that's cool. I understand. Hey, at least there's two. Yeah, two different. Good. That's a plus. Because as you know, most books they'll put the same interior front and back. Stupid. So that is all I got for books tonight. I don't know when the hell I'll be back, but you'll see me when you see me. So, till next time, like and subscribe for thoughts and prayers.